Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 3 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cambridge, 7 miles north of Edgerton, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Atkinson, Jefferson,